Hello, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can get your money off hold on eBay. Now, when I first started selling on eBay, whenever I sell something, it's always on hold. Now, this happened to me for the first 1 month, okay? But now, after 1 month, as you can see, the moment someone pays for the item, it says here the buyer has paid for this order and we are processing the payment. When processing is complete, the funds will be available for payout. Usually, it's like 24 hours. Okay, so 24 hours, and then the processing is complete, and then the funds will be available. Now, the thing is, when you are a new seller, they are holding it for a few days. Okay, they say something like upload tracking number, and then we will release the payment after the item is delivered. But the problem with this, even if you do this, especially if you are selling a lot of items for the first time, everything is on hold. You don't have money like to ship these items to the customers, and it's causing you problems in your business. That's why what you need to do is just to start with selling low valued items, like less than $10, $20. That way you can sell a lot of items, and after 1 month, like I said, or after 50 products, after you sell 50 products, the funds will be available all the time. Whenever you receive a sale after that, it will be available on eBay, and then you can withdraw your money, use it for shipping or whatever you want. Now I'm doing drop shipping myself, so drop shipping, you don't you don't use eBay shipping. I use third party, but if they are holding money, it's like it means like I need to use my own money for the first month in order to ship these items to the customers. So now here is the thing. Okay, let's start right now. Now after you sell something, okay, make sure you add the tracking number. Okay, add the tracking number as quickly as possible, 1 day or 2 days. After you add the tracking number, after the item shows delivery, contact the buyer, say something like, hi, please leave a feedback, positive feedback on my eBay account. I'm just a new seller, something like that. And then once they leave a feedback, positive feedback, and then the second buyer leaves a positive feedback, immediately eBay will start to trust you and then release the payment even before 1 month. Okay, it just depends on how many sales you are getting and how many positive feedbacks you are getting. Okay, this is all you need to focus on, because there is nothing you can find online that will just fix this for you right away. So you have to do this the hard way, which is to get some positive feedback on your own eBay account. Okay, so hopefully this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions or anything like that, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. See you in the next tutorial. Please drop a like. See you.